Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a Coach unboxing. So these items, I purchased this at Coach outlet. So they have like sale going on over the past few days, and I was able to get some of these items, and these items are items that I can compare with my Louis Vuitton catch-all and everything. So anyway, I am going to show you what I got, and I think this one was still available on the website as of this moment. So anyway, let me start with this little packaging here. So this one here, this one came in with just an envelope, but it didn't came in with a box or anything. I didn't request to have it gift wrap or anything, so these are just my props, just for everybody's information. So anyway, this is the first item, and it seems like the price for this is pretty reasonable. That's why I purchased it. And the first item is, oh wow, I can already feel the soft leather. Wow, very nice feel to it. So this is a Coach Nolita size 15. This is in black color and this one is made up of pebbled leather. Beautiful. Wow, this one seems to feel like it is a structured purse though. The reason why I purchased this, it's because this reminds me of the mini pochette from Louis Vuitton, but it is a different color. But regardless, it is so pretty, it is so cute, and it's wow. So this one came in with, yeah, it's like pretty similar though. So look at that. It is similar, but that one has a gold chain in it, but this one has a leather chain. This one has a really nice light brass hardware. Beautiful. This one right there, I think, is this removable? No, it is not removable. So you could just take this one out right here to use it as a wristlet, I guess, but it would be awkward, I guess. Yeah, I wish this is removable though, but that's okay. Regardless, it is still pretty. So I got this, how much should I pay for this? This is the Nolita size 15. I got this for $46.92 before tax. Okay, so this is the Nolita 15. Let's take a look at inside. Wow, I like this. For some reason, I really like it because it has a structure to it. It is a structured purse. And also right here, the piping at the corner is actually very, very sturdy. As I'm trying to feel it. And I love pebbled leather. I love to see those pebbling at the corner. Absolutely gorgeous. I will definitely gonna recommend this, guys. If you're looking for a lovely mini pochette from Coach, this is perfect. I'm pretty sure this it would fit all of your essentials more than not all of the essentials. You could fit a lot more than the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. So as you guys can see right here on the inside, it has a really nice wide opening. This one has a fabric lining, which is in dark color. I love that it is dark, to like if you want to put some cosmetics, if you want to put lipstick on, makeup and stuff, it's so easy to clean it compared to the lighter interior. That's why I purchased this. It has a two pockets right here at the corner where you could put your credit card as well. You can double it. If you want to put the credit card, you could do that. You could double or triple or whatever. It seems like this material right here, the interior fabric, is flexible as well. I'm curious, where is this made? It didn't say. Oh, this one right here. This is made in Cambodia. Yay. Very nice. The zipper is, let me see, smooth. Buttery smooth right here. Very nice. It looks very sturdy though. I love it. Very lovely. This one has a little teeny tiny hang tag from Coach. This is from Coach New York. So once again, I got this on the Coach outlet website. Okay. Yeah, this one is pretty roomy though. I will highly recommend it. Really soft, very flexible. I just totally love the pebbled leather. Absolutely gorgeous. Of course, since this is a pebbled leather, you're not going to worry about scratching or anything, because look at that right there, the pebbling. I absolutely love those crumpled at the corner right there. That's the nature of pebbled leather. To some people, those are, it bothers them, but for me, they are gorgeous. They're beautiful. Love to see those. That's just the nature of the pebbled leather. Look at that. It is so cute. Love it. Maybe I could put this. No, I can't put it in my shoulder. Maybe I could put it on my shoulder. Surprisingly, but it's too tiny, too small. But of course, once again, I have a lot of straps that I could use with this. Absolutely. I could use this as a crossbody, top handle. It could be anything. So it's so easy to dress up this purse, guys. So anyway, this is the Nolita size 15. Absolutely gorgeous. This one I think is still available on the website. Let me just take a look. So right here, right now, it is available for $55.20. And they do have a promotion, which is 15% off. So basically, like it's pretty much the same as what I paid for last time. So I paid $46.92. So yeah, I don't know what's the point of this additional 15%, where they just bump the price a little bit and you end up just paying the same as what I paid. Yeah, probably because if they would do that, a lot of people are probably calling for price adjustment. I'm pretty sure. So that really make more sense. But then again, I really thought that there's going to be an additional 15% for this on top of what I paid. But initially, what they did is just bump the price a little bit and add the 15%, which is what they used to do all the time. But anyway, this is still available on the Coach outlet website. I don't know at the outlet store. I am not sure because I haven't been in a Coach outlet store in such a long time. So anyway, moving on to the next item. So this is the second lovely item that I got. Once again, I purchased this also at the Coach outlet as well on the website. So okay, I love that they wrap everything. They put it in the packaging, in a plastic, trying to protect with this little tiny bubble wrap in it. And okay, you guys ready? So this is the larger Nolita. This is on the size 19, which is also once again made up of pebbled leather. This is the larger size. The reason why I purchased this because it reminds me of the pochette accessoire. As we guys know, that Louis Vuitton pochette accessoire is actually priced as almost like $800 if I'm not mistaken. But this is a very nice alternative, guys. It's made up of leather. Absolutely, it makes your money worth. But right now, so I paid around $57.12 for this before tax. This is a structured bag, so you could just place it right in the table and it stand on its own. Let me see the tiny one as well. I could put it right here at the table and it would stand on its own, and I love that more than anything else, because I hate like purses that that didn't have a structure at all, like, really, to be honest. But I know I have several in my collection, especially with the crossbody bag. But anyway, so this is the Nolita 19. Let me just take this one out. Okay, this one has a leather pull tab in it. Okay, hold on. Let me just take this one. Okay. Okay, I am so determined to take this one off. I'm so sorry, guys. So yeah, this is the hang tag in it. It says Coach, New York. This one has a gold hardware. I rarely see this. Look at that, those emblem right there. This one is made up of brass hardware. I don't see that often anymore. So this is this is from the Coach, New York. So this one has a leather pull tab in here. Beautiful. I love the lighter brass hardware on this. Absolutely gorgeous. Very nice. So this one has a top handle here. It is, you can remove it on the other side, but this one is attached here, and it is not removable, and it is not adjustable as well. Let me try to put this in my shoulder. Yes, you can actually put it on your shoulder, which is so cute. Very lovely. Let's take a look at inside. I think this one has a similar feature as the other one, the 15 size. Yes, this one has a larger pocket at the back, which is nice as well. This one is lined with the black fabric lining on the inside. I love that it is dark, so you know, I always have issues with the lighter interior, guys. But then again, I don't need to buy an organizer for this, which is awesome. So yeah, originally they put the price here for 168 US dollars. Wow, that's pretty amazing. And to think that this one is $57.12, I think it's a good deal. So this one has two little pockets right here for your credit cards. Pretty much it is like similar to the one that I have, to the one that is the size 15, but the size 15 has no pocket at the back. Yeah, this is just like two card slots right there. Oh, I just love the pebbled leather, guys. Wow, it feels luxurious, like, really, to be honest. That is one of the criteria that when I'm purchasing a purse, is that the leather itself. But this one, it feels so soft. It looks luxurious. Has a shine to it, as you guys can see right there. I love the pebbling around it. It's so beautiful. It is structured, like I mentioned. You could just put it right here on the table and it's done on its own. Absolutely gorgeous. I would definitely gonna recommend this. This is it reminds me of the pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton. So if you want something similar to that, and it's in line with your budget, you could get this. And I think this is still available on the website. Let me just check. Yes, it is still available on the website, and this is from the Coach outlet. Okay, so this one, let me just, I don't need to give you the code. I was gonna give you the code for this. It says here 6386. Maybe that would help. And you could just type on the website Nolita, and it'll show you a different Nolita purses. This one also, I saw it in the website today. This one is available in this little tiny monogram which has flowers in it, but it's like almost $80. I find it a little bit pricey for the canvas, though. I prefer to have the leather, and this one is around $46, $47, and I think you will definitely gonna love this, guys. I would highly recommend this. You could just use this to put all your essentials and put in your larger bag. This one as well. I think both of these are useful. You could just use this on its own. When you go to the market, your phone, your key, your lipstick, and things like that, I think this is absolutely perfect. You could actually use this on its own. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, I just love the feel of it. I mean, I am the type of person that loves craftsmanship and quality as well, and I will not hesitate to recommend this to all of you guys that are looking for a pochette. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, definitely makes your money worth. Absolutely gorgeous. This one as well. Oh wow, I still can't get over how pretty this is. The quality is impeccable. Wow, very nice. This is actually very roomy as well, and really soft. Very, very soft. It has a really nice feel to it. Absolutely. It smells like leather. Absolutely. Oh, I love the smell of it. Sometimes some of the Coach is like, yeah, it actually has a real nice leather smell to it. Yeah, I would. Yeah, it is still available online before they run out, guys. This is a Louis Vuitton alternative. Well, I know that Louis Vuitton are actually releasing a lot of new items that is made up of empreinte leather, real leather, and wow, the one that I was eyeing was almost like 700 US dollars for as small as this. Well, I can even imagine, you know. So yeah, you could, yeah, I would highly recommend this too. Cutest right here. And I'm not sure, guys, if this one is also available with other colors. Like what I meant is just like solid colors, like if it is like white, brown, or purple or orange. Sometimes they came in with a lot of beautiful colors, especially for spring and summer. I know that for a fact, but so far I only see this two, and then the other monogram canvas for Coach, which has flowers in it. And how can I say no to this beauty? Oh my gosh. The sides, the corner, the back. Yeah. So I will be doing a mod shots in this in my next video, what fits as well, and also how I style this beauty. And I am so excited. I am just so excited for this, guys. I paid around $104.04 for both of these. Wow, definitely worth your money. So anyway, check out the website if you're interested, and I know you're not gonna regret it. I will definitely gonna recommend this. You will love it, especially you guys out there that loves leather. This is perfection. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.